You are the salt of the earth. Instead of saying, I am the salt of the earth, you just say,
I am the salt of the earth.
ಈ ತಲೆಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಉಪ್ಪು.
ಈ ತಲೆಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಉಪ್ಪು.
Hallelujah.
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 Then who are you? Then who are you? I am the
Salt of
I am the salt of the earth. That is Christian. A Christian is the salt of the earth. Hallelujah.
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 What made you a salt?
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು?
Jesus.
ಉಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು?
Is Jesus make you salt or saltiness make you salt?
Jesus make.
For a salt, how become a salt? Saltiness make a salt.
ಉಪ್ಪು ತಾನು ಉಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ದು ಉಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಬಂತು.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. One day when you are taking the salt from your kitchen,